Adding an iTunes gift card to an Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If your iTunes gift card has a label covering the redemption code, scratch it off gently to reveal the code. Launch the App Store app or the iTunes Store app on your iOS device. In the App Store or iTunes Store, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. In the Profile section, scroll down and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Use the camera to scan the redemption code by selecting Use Camera and pointing it at the back of the iTunes gift card. Or you can enter the code manually by selecting You can also enter your code manually and typing it in. After entering the code, tap Redeem in the top right corner. If prompted, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once the code is successfully redeemed, you may have the option to add the balance to your Apple ID account or use it immediately. If you choose to add it to your account, the balance will be added to your Apple ID balance, which can be used for App Store, iTunes Store, and Apple Music purchases. If you prefer to use the funds immediately, you can skip this step. After redeeming the gift card, open the Apple Wallet app to see if the balance has been added. In some cases, the balance may automatically be added to your Apple Wallet, depending on your settings.